Just a real quick tip here, changing the upper engine mount on a 2010 Focus. Get the engine supported. So, thought I'd share this. Actually, Britt said I should share this. I marked these with primer before I take them off. I really don't care what it looks like under the hood. I do the same with subframes when I drop subframes for the position that it was in. So you don't have to mess around neutralizing, going through the neutralization procedure. And you might say, well, why would you do that? Well, this moves quite a bit. So to find the right spot, see the holes aren't perfect, they're not the size of the bolt. So to find your hole where you need it to be, so you can hit that hole in multiple spots. Even if you center it, it's still not where it needs to be. So this being the original engine mount, when I took off, it's telling me that I'm going to be pretty darn close. So that's just what I do. I mark it with primer. I paint around the original, and it gives you a great outline of where to put it.